Say hello to dusk. A unique wall clock that changes shades when time goes by. We designed Dusk to adapt its colors and transparency depending on the time of day. At dawn, the light shades of grey start the cycle of your day. And while the day progresses, the shades turn darker and darker. Until the dusk turns into a nightshade of black. This cycle from start to finish takes 12 hours to turn dark and another 12 hours to become light again. Dusk is incredibly easy to install and calibrate to any time zone. Dusk. Never look at time the same way again.